Want to change your birthday on Facebook? Then you're on the right video. I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily change the birth date on Facebook. So the very first thing you want to do is move into Facebook app. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once logged in, head over to Profile at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside the Profile section, head over to Edit Profile. You will be able to see your birth date. Right over here beside, you will see the pen icon. Tap on it. After that, simply click on Edit Your Birthday. Once again, click on Edit. Click on your birth date. Here you will be able to change it. Set it according to your need. Once you are done changing it, tap on Save. Click on Confirm. Wait for a while for the process to be completed. And there you go, your birth date has been changed on Facebook. That's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.